any application will open click. See guys here. This is the DOM. Okay, this are all the HTML content. This is a DOM. So what is meant by DOM? We should learn today. I will give a basic definition.
Check that your screen is not getting refreshed.
Not
Okay,
sharing it.
okay. See guys. So here, whatever we are seeing the HTML content, all this is a DOM. Okay. So DOM is nothing but it is like a document. So it is a document, not it is like a document. Document. So the document, it has a structure, design, what is okay spelling here? Design and what else we have? Link, accessing the link. And also the main thing is objects. The document has this document contains structure, design, accessing the links and objects of a web application. So here the leaf ground is in a web page. So for particular web page, so we have it gives the information regarding the structure, designing, and whatever the links accessing on the object. So here you see the notification icon, a calendar icon, this help icon. These are our objects. Okay. So this page has a structure. So who are having much knowledge in development or some highly expensive, they get to know this application given an entire structure and architecture of this web page. Okay, so here we having this HTML code, and here we having the CSS, whatever the colors or designs they are using. So here you will find them. Okay, here this are whatever the HTML code the front-end developer have coded will be representing here. Okay, but this is just representing as a document. Okay, so that is the reason. So they have named it as a document object model. So the abbreviation of a DOM is a document object model. So what it has, what it gives us, it gives information about the structure, design, and objects of a particular web page. That's what we have to know from the DOM. And now, today our class is how to write an XPath. Okay. If someone is joining still. So before jumping into the XPath, we have to know what is an HTML. HTML is in a language which is help us to develop a web application. HTML is a language. So I'm missing forwarding spellings. Help us to or use it to. Please use it to develop the web applications. And what is the CSS? The CSS are one of the language. So it is used to design the So here, whatever you are saying, the syntax is it is based on the XML. So XML it is nothing but it is a markup language. So it is a type of language. So based on this XML, the HTML was born. Okay. So here, whatever the syntax you are seeing, the syntax is same as like a XML syntax. But what is the difference between XML and HTML is the HTML has some tags and some features which is helping us to develop the web page. But XML page, so it will help us to arrange our data and carry our data. This kind of designing some schema level the XML language is using. Okay. XML and HTML has the same syntax. In XML, we can introduce our own attributes. In HTML, we have to use what are the attributes are present in a HTML language. Okay, did you guys got the difference between XML and HTML? In XML, we can create our own attributes and we can work with that. And coming to the HTML, we have to use what are the attributes are available in that particular language. Okay.
Okay.
Now, how the XPath? So in here we are saying it is HTML, but we are saying it in XPath. So what is meant by XPath? So XPath is nothing but it is an address of an object. So suppose there is there is a house. So we are saying so this is an address. So how we are saying this address? That's like the XPath is an address to a particular object. Okay. For example, this is the notification icon. So for this notification icon, so here in the HTML, somewhere it has a object for some information about it. Okay. So we need to find that address. So instead of saying it is an address, so it has some name called XPath, the path to that particular object. Okay. So X means XML, path, it is a path only. So XML path. So that's how it is saying it as an XPath. Okay. As HTML is one of the XML structured language. So that is the reason we are saying it is an XPath. Suppose it is a JSON file, so we will say it is JPath. So like that, it has two different names. Okay. Now coming to this XPath, how many types of XPath we have? So we have two type of XPath. One is an absolute XPath, another is a relative XPath. Absolute, okay, absolute and relative XPath. Okay, so absolute XPath is nothing but we are writing our XPath from a root level. So what is the root here? The HTML. From the HTML to its whatever the object here. Okay, so till from the root level to the from the object. So that kind of XPath we call an absolute XPath. But in a relative XPath, we will start from its own tag. So every object had its own locator. Every locator has its own tag. Okay. So here we will start the writing XPath from its own tag. Those kinds of XPaths we call a relative XPath. So whatever the XPaths we are writing from the root level, those XPaths is called an absolute XPath. Okay. Whatever XPaths we are writing from the tag from this tags, those kind of XPaths are called relative XPath. So now you need to ask me like, how should I differentiate a absolute XPath and relative XPath? So we have simple difference. It's like we will start absolute XPath with a single slash and relative XPath with a double slash. Okay. Now you guys tell me. I gave the definition for the absolute XPath. Okay. I need to write the XPath for this layout tab. Now tell me how to write this XPath till this div.
Slash div.
No, if it is absolute, sorry.
Absolute
Okay.
XPath is start with
Absolute
single
starts from HTML slash body.
Root
Yeah.
from
double
HTML.
slash
In HTML.
like body,
HTML.
absolute start
You
from
have to start it
HTML
from the
slash
HTML root.
body
body
Slash
Hmm.
div
slash div.
then
Hmm.
div
slash a.
So which div I talked about? This div.
The above one.
The above one.
That div
HTML
and div of hero.
head.
This one. Okay, someone is telling it is a head. Okay, I will write that.
HTML, then
Yes.
head,
Head,
body, div,
body,
slash p,
P. Where's P?
paragraph.
Is do we have P or A? Just wait. It is a A.
A.
Hmm. Okay. Now I have a question to you guys.
Multiple divs is like that.
Yeah.
Which one div is
See,
going?
which one is the correct expert? Ketil, here I am writing. So which one is the correct expert here? Either the first one or second one.
Both is wrong, sir. Div is multiple div is there, and
We want to
write
mention
another div
the,
of 1, 0 of 1.
we want to mention the index or which
We have to mention that div, which one div have that inside in anchor tag.
either
Viresh,
div 1 or div 2 or like that we have to mention.
Yeah.
See, Viresh. So here I have the A. Here I have the div.
A div of
So this
3
is the one
slash
expert.
anchor tag.
Okay. So you are saying both are wrong. Anyone want to try with a different answer? Okay. So HTML A. So it is. So Viresh told it is the wrong expert, but why it is located? So here we having one of one. How it is located? We will try one more. We have one more. Just
Sometimes it's wrong.
oh, no matches. No. Anyone want to give an answer to this? Why it is no matches?
head it was opened and it was closed.
See guys, whenever we are giving the slash, okay. So this slash indicates we are entering the document. Okay, this first slash indicates. Okay, this second slash, this slash after the HTML, what are the slash we are having? So this indicates we are entering the HTML tag. So now what inside the HTML tag? So we have the head and body. Okay, here you see the A inside the body. So not inside the body, it is inside the div. The div is inside the body. Okay. Now you tell me, I should go to the inside the head or directly I can come to the body.
For absolute, we have to go for a body, Shashidhar. If an relative expert, we can go for directly to
Don't
the
discuss
body.
about relative. I will come to that topic.
Okay.
Let's talk about only
Okay.
absolute. So to write the absolute expert, I need to go to the head or not? Or I don't want to go to the head, or I directly jump to the body.
No, we have to go to the head also.
To locate the A locator, A tag, I need to go to the head. So you are saying,
Yes.
Yeah. In
okay.
an absolute expert, we are going from the root level to the, up to the tag, whatever required
Child
web
level.
element.
Parent level node to and a child node.
Yes,
Mhm,
yes.
okay. So I am explaining the topic again, absolute expert. So here this slash indicates us to uh, go to inside the document. So we are into the document. We are inside the document. Okay. This slash indicates us we are in a HTML tag. So we are inside the HTML tag. Okay. Nothing but after the HTML, whatever the childs of HTML, those all will display to us. Okay. Why? Because we are entering the HTML tag. So after we are entered to the HTML tag, so we have head and body two childs. Okay. So we have two childs here. You can see the HTML we have head and body. But I need to locate the A located. Now you tell me whether I need to go to the head or I need to go inside the body.
We can go inside the body.
You can go inside body.
Inside the body. Because we
And
is
directly
located.
go to inside the body. Why? Because those are two childs. Okay, if someone is doing mistake, if we have two childs here, if someone is doing the mistake, so we can directly go to the child and we will hit them. Why we take the other child? Let him eat some chocolate. We can deal with another child. Okay. So we are looking for a anchor tag. So the anchor tag is present inside the body. So that is the reason I am going to the body. The head
Without
tag
head.
is unnecessary here. Without head, that is not required here.
Okay.
Simple. If we suppose we are going to any city, we having two parallel roads. Which so one road will take to some other place, one road will take to our destination place. Which road you will take? Whatever the route is taking to destination place, we will go to there. The same like from HTML, the body and the div. So here we having so in the body also. So we having three divs. Okay. Whatever the div specifying our element. Okay, we will go inside to the division tag. Okay. So div. So in the div, I can directly access the anchor tag. The slash. Okay. The slash indicates we are going inside the particular tag. Okay. Did you guys understood the absolute expert? How to write the absolute expert?
Yeah, there. We thought that we have to take both child. If there are only two childs, we can opt directly to the. If we are having an anchor tag in second one, we can directly go to the second child. You are telling that.
Remember this slash. Okay, the slash means we are moving inside particular element. Sorry, inside
Yeah.
a particular tag. Okay. So here we having only one way. If you go to inside the HTML, if you go to inside body, so there is no way coming back. So that is the reason. If you go to inside the head, there is no way to come back. Okay, if you will be in this particular head tag only, you will not come to this body tag. No, I will
You
tell
will
you.
not,
Hmm.
we will not find the element, right? If you go to the head, we can't
So
find
how
the
will you
element.
find that? So if I go to the head tag, so
Yeah.
here we having another element, another locator something we having here. So how will you
If
find
it,
the anchor tag here?
yeah, okay,
Okay.
Oh, you guys tell me. I need to write the absolute XPath for this div. Tell me how to write this. Just tell me how to do. Right. XPath for this div.
Slash HTML slash
Slash HTML.
slash body. Can you please scroll up, Shishna, please?
This. Oh, this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, close this.
HTML, then body.
Yeah,
Body.
body, div,
Body, div, again div,
and again
slash div.
one more div.
So this div I'm talking about.
Okay. Can you please minimize this also, Shishna? In
This
the
div.
whole list in between, the whole div class called.
One more div is there. We want to mention the index there.
HTML body.
Yes, I
will be
think
two
we
children.
can use the index.
Yeah,
Whether I need to
HTML.
write, see, I need to find this div. Okay. Now tell me whether I need to write one more div or not. Still here it is
We
expired.
must write because
Instead, two divs.
inside body we have two children and then two descendants.
We have to mention their
Two.
index for which child we are writing that.
Yeah, but we must write
Author.
two divs anyway. Yeah.
Yes.
Let me check this is the correct or not. So here you see we having 1 of 9. That means sorry. It found one element out of 9. So totally we having 9 located with the same absolute XPath. So here whenever we are finding out whenever we are writing any XPath, so we need to confirm whether it is only locating particular element or not.
Okay.
So now we need to find this div. Okay. Here you see we having this div and this div. So we need to find this element. How we should write? So here we having first div and this is the second div. Okay. So we need to specify the index of this div. So here, okay. How we need to specify by using a square braces. How you will do with array? The same way we need to specify the index here. But in arrays, we will go to 0 on. But here we will start with the 1 and 2. Okay. Now see, it is came to the second child of the body.
Okay, the outer div will have the higher number, is it, Shishna?
See, now here if I write 1, okay, it is came to this div. Means it has 3 childs, all of the divs only. So I am specifying go to the by index number. I am specifying go to the first div, first child. Okay, so that is the reason it went to the. It is indicating the first div. Okay, but we should go to the second div. Why? Because our element is in a second div. Okay, so that is the reason we should give here 2. So it will go to the second div. Okay.
Because it is inside second div, we are going to that. Okay.
Here the indexing starts from 0 or 1, Shashi?
1.
Okay.
Now again, I given the slash. Why? Because I need to enter the second div. So that is the reason I gave the slash. Okay. Now I need to find the div here for this div. So I can directly write this div. Now it is saying 1 of 2. So it is indicating we have 2 elements with the same XPath. So we need to specify which div I need to take. Okay. So we need this div. Now tell me what is the index number of this div?
1.
That is second div.
It is a child, first child of second div.
So 1 of 2. So here one child, first child, second child.
Second.
First child. First. No. It is the second child
So
of
already
the
saw
second.
my
second.
already saw the
No,
answer.
sister, I was focusing on the highlighted
Recording.
lines. Seriously, I didn't see that. Yeah.
So we need to specify the second index. Why? Because even it is a disabled, but in the DOM it will locate because we are giving the XPath, so that is the reason even it is a disabled, we are able to locate that. But while coming in execution, this element will be hidden for the tool. Okay. But while specifying, we need to give a correct XPath. Even it is a disabled, it will be get located. It will be identified in while you're writing XPath. So this is the second child of the div. So that is the reason I'm specifying div 2. So like this, we will write an absolute XPath. Well, coming to the relative XPath. Okay. I will copy this. Example. So while coming to the relative XPath, so it starts with a double slash. Okay. So in the double slash, so I already told we don't need to write from the root element. We can directly start from a tag name. Okay. So here the syntax for relative XPath is tag name. Okay. Suppose it is an attribute means, so we will start with the at.
At the rate.
So attribute. Attributes. Attribute value.
Yeah, attribute value.
Attribute name is
Name equal to attribute value. Single
Attribute
quote.
value.
Either single quote or double quote. Okay.
Yes.
Attribute value. So this is a syntax for a relative XPath. Okay. Now you guys tell me how to write a relative XPath for this. Div ID equal to something is enough.
Okay, double slash div
double slash div
square brace at the rate
At the
ID
rate ID.
equals to
ID
the
equal
value of
to-
ID.
Copy that and paste in C.
Yeah, J underscore that one. Yeah.
I will take this. And I'll see 1 of 1. So it is indicating this element.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, one more we have is a CSS selector. I will give 2 inputs. You don't need to worry about this. CSS selector. So how we have the XPath? The same way to identify the CSS objects. So we have a CSS selector. Okay. So to write the CSS selector for ID, we need to start with a hash. Okay. We don't need to do the syntax. Okay. To identify the class, we have a dot. Okay. So here we having the ID. Now I will directly have ID. I will copy like this. And if you see this, now see, it is saying 1 of 1. Okay, this is a CSS selector. This is a CSS selector syntax. And you can specify with the tag name also. Suppose here, if you're having, so it is the tag name is div. So that is, I can specify like this. Div. Then enough. If you're having any class name, so can we will specify it as a dot. So these are the CSS selector syntax.
Can you please explain one more time?
To write the CSS selector for an ID, so we will write the tag name, hash, and ID value.
Okay.
Okay. So here we have the tag name, div, and hash, and ID value is, so here this is. So this is the way you can define the CSS selector for an ID. Suppose to write the CSS selector for a class. Okay, do you have any class here? Okay, here we have one class. So actually, this having two classes. One is a layout wrapper class, another is a layout wrapper slim sidebar class, and a slim class. So we're having three classes here. Okay, to write CSS selector for this kind of classes. So what is the syntax tag name? Div dot. So I copied all the classes. So here I have the space now. I need to specify this is a class with a dot. So I will take this div layout class. I'm specifying layout wrapper slim sidebar class and a slim class. So copy here. So it is indicated this class.
Understood. Thank you.
Any doubts if you know having the XPaths or CSS selected? Hey guys, if you're not having any doubt with these means, so we're having different ways of.
And we have another also, right? Tag and attribute, tag class and attribute in CSS selector.
Tag dot class name of attribute.
Yeah, that's what we have.
It's not important.
You're saying another way of a tag class is supposed to be having any attribute, so we will specify in square braces. So the same syntax here is so instead of writing like this.
Yeah, tag name div dot
Hmm.
class name we write.
Suppose we having any class, so we will specify here class.
Okay. Super.
We have the same syntax like a XPath. Suppose we having any attribute, but we need to remove the slashes and at. So XPath ways, how many ways of ways of ways. So if we go to here, we're having different ways of writing the XPath. Okay, some methods are there. Just try to practice these all. In interviews, definitely those guys will ask you these XPaths. So using or and XPath start with method. So this kind of things. Okay. For interview, definitely these will ask like following contains starts with all these kind of stuff. These are different type of experts. Practice those. And CSS selector is for your just access knowledge to you. That's it, guys. For today. While coming tomorrow, we will discuss about attributes. I'm not giving complete information about attributes. Some of the attributes I will explain. Try to take any application. Try to do with login. So one, Stanley, could you share your screen? And I'd like to explain on top.
Yeah.
So one attribute in line number 17, write one attribute here. So that's a description attribute, braces. Yeah.
Are you
That-
asking me to write it?
yes,
Sister?
yes, yes.
Okay. In line 19.
Beside the test
Oh, okay.
braces. Here a description. Equal double quotes. Uh, so here we will specify the description for a particular test. Okay, you try to write down your test case names in a description. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
how will you write? What is the syntax for your writing your test case name?
I'm not sure. She's there.
TC underscore.
If you guys didn't practice writing the test case in manual
Oh,
template, manual
okay.
sheet,
Then it is, yeah, as Pravanya said, it is TC underscore. Yeah, I thought.
TC underscore module. Suppose you're having any login module, I will say LG hyphen 001. Verify the login function with valid credentials. So kind of test case name.
Right. Okay. I'll just.
ID should be capital letters.
Okay. Okay, she's there.
That's it, guys. Right?
TC underscore is it module name, isn't it? She's there.
Everyone has a different style of writing. I will go with this kind of syntax: TC underscore module underscore number.
Okay.
Sister,
ID is in ID must be in capital in the sense. Is it in the test case name?
Right? Test case ID. ID means TC login LN hyphen
Okay. Okay.
001.
TC
So these should
should
be in
be.
capital. TC
Okay.
should be capital. Module, whatever the words, keywords you are giving for the module, those should be in capital.
Okay. Okay, she's there. I'll make it.
Someone asking what it is.
actually, we have tried it on yesterday. You have given some assignment, no? Shall we share the
Yeah, go
if
ahead.
any card?
Yeah, I'll stop sharing it.
Just actually, I have just tried on it. Is it proper way or not? I don't know. For orange HRM only. Actually, I have taken it as a before method prerequisite URL, and then whether URL is it open or login page is open or not. I have tried it to for the logo, whether it is displayed or not. Then we will get it as a login page is opened or not. And then in test case, I have tried for the username. I have sent keys to the username and password.
So in line number 15, you see you're passing true keyword. So where you're directly hard coding a true.
Sorry,
Line number
which
31.
line? 31. Okay. True means actually if the display status, if logo is displayed, then the login page is open, or else we can login page is not open. I have mentioned in that way.
So suppose this thing element is not displayed.
Yes.
The is displayed method return the false.
Yes. If it is not displayed, then login page is not open.
Now you guys, anyone tell me whether it will print line number 32 statement or line number 35 statement?
Line number 35.
Yeah, 35.
35. It like means
Because if true, it will go to 32. If it is false, it comes to the else block.
29th, it will be print that displayed is displayed on it's true. Like it will.
Actually, I have used here
No,
is
no,
displayed
no. I
method.
think the output of logo.is displayed should be held in a variable.
Variable like.
Yeah,
Yes, I
otherwise it
have
won't.
here logo. I
No,
stored
no,
it in a
logo you
logo
took,
variable.
Deepti,
Logo.
but logo.is displayed will return you a Boolean value, which is true or false. That you
Yes,
should
that's
give it
what
in variable.
that's what I have kept.
No, you can't
Shami.
directly put it true because it will be always true if it
Yeah,
is
you
true.
have to give Boolean.
You must take it, you must
Okay,
write
I have
Boolean
taken it
x
on
is
another
equals to,
Boolean value. Okay, false.
exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, Boolean x is equals to logo.is displayed. Then you
Actually,
can write x.
this actually I have got this doubt. And I mean, I don't know how to execute this to come.
Okay. Maybe you would have felt it right because it is always true and you will see the message login page open.
Yes. I don't know how to.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
what I.
Could you read that warning message?
Sorry,
Yellow, on
sister.
the yellow line. On the yellow line, you have a warning
It's
sign.
showing
Yes.
some one.
Left
Yes.
side,
It's showing
left
me
side.
some
Here you are not
including
getting the
So go hover on the 34
34 line
number.
beside, left to the left of 34. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just
Just
hover on that.
hover on it, you will see a message.
Scroll. Just
Left on the warning sign. Yeah, just keep it like that. I don't know. It didn't.
Not
Or else
can you
on the
able
right
to
corner you
no.
can.
It's showing remove, change, else block to statement, change if block to state. It's showing for me some
Oh, okay.
conditions.
Why? Because you are directly saying if it is true. Okay, it is always true. Why? Because you
you're
are
not
specifying one
checking the
keyword.
condition. Yeah. You're not checking the condition, you are giving it as a true.
True.
So
Yes.
yeah, no need of else block here.
Yeah, hold it
Just
as a
Boolean.
Boolean variable.
Boolean.
That's it.
Oh, okay. Just we have to write this as